Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So one of my favorite castings in this case, A case. So the custom Cadillac Fleetwood. So I personally like Cadillacs, the older ones I'm talking about. So I'm not much aware about the newer ones, so which they are making, but I do love the older ones. So I did, I did order I think one or two more Cadillacs by Tomica. So that looked really gorgeous. So I'm yet to receive that one. So that will be done during the Tomica Premium Week. Okay, so let's unbox this one and see how this one looks. So a lot of you guys are giving me some suggestions which are really good suggestion. One among them is, like I already mentioned, someone actually asked me to just keep the round, keep the turntable for 10 more seconds so that they can see the car clearly. So I hope you guys are happy now, because I started doing that from this particular batch. I hope that is enough, because I don't want to you know extend the video for so long, and I don't know how many people will like that if I extend the video for so long. So I don't want to keep it short and you know as clear as much as possible. Okay, so the first impressions of this particular casting, so the casting wise it looks really nice. So you can see some scratches as usual. So this part here is some kind of acrylic. It's like a fiberglass, you can say, frosted one. And okay, so only this part here, which is painted green, the body, that alone is metal. And the chassis here, you can see this is fully plastic. And the fenders here, everything is plastic. And there are no headlight details here, nothing. No tail light details as well. It is very light actually. Maybe it will come somewhere around 2 grams if I'm not wrong. So the paint job looks good. Honestly, it looks nice compared to most of the Hot Wheels nowadays. But I'm not sure why actually they went with around 80% plastic in this casting. So you can see the exhaust here, which is like a transparent plastic. Okay, let's weigh this car. Let's see how much this weighs. Okay, it still managed to come around 2.9 grams, if you guys are wondering. Okay, let's put this aside. Okay, so the personally I do love the rims here, which looks really nice. So the rear wheel is actually pretty standard. Maybe you can't able to see it clearly because of this fender here, but the front wheels looks really nice. Let's do a roll test real quick. No, it doesn't roll really well. It has a lot of contact with the track, and the front wheel wobbles in a very huge amount. Just look at it very closely now. I hope you guys can able to see that. Let me just try one more thing. Okay, let's try that now. I'm not sure if I zoom a little bit more whether you will be able to see the entire track. Okay, I don't think you will be able to see the entire track, but it does have a lot of wheel wobble, which is not at all nice. It is not at all good. But as a casting overall, it looks nice. So if you're going to just collect it, yeah, it is a very good piece. But if you guys going to play with it, so in some of the metal cards they mention something like last for a lifetime, I guess. I don't know whether it's, anyway, both are by metal now. I don't remember whether it's in Hot Wheels card or it is in Matchbox card, but somewhere they mention last for a lifetime, something like that. This is not going to last you for a lifetime if you throw it, if you just slam it down a couple of times. This part is going to break apart from this part here. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.